boxes.
Little boxes.
Yeah. All right.
Cool.
So we just chopped the little thing and then it's open.
What's in there?
Shoes. Shoes and
The
machinery
stuff to
for our
make the
factory.
shoes.
Okay, let's see.
Pretty
So I go out and cut it.
It smells like shoes. And these crates are machines. We'll have to see how we get them off because we get this up, we get the forks under it, get that up, bring it forward. We're gonna have to maybe stabilize it. Rock and roll! We're finally getting this stuff out of some of the crates. When we were in China, we had a bunch of meetings. We talked about the basic machines that we need to get a factory up and running here in Canada. So we are now starting to put these all together. Been waiting for a while. These are the shoe lasts. These will actually do size C11. So this will help us make our kids' Voyager shoes here in Canada. Basically, you build everything around the shoe, and then you glue the bottom, take the sole, put it on, and pressure puts that on the bottom of the shoe. And you'll see that with the machinery that we're installing.
Sorry, sole press back through, and then we go through the chiller, and then it's finished. So then you're going to need some kind of finish. Well, maybe that table
Yeah,
there.
it goes to the table. If we're applying the glue, brushing it on, it can go from here to here to here to here if it needs to. And we're just stepping it through ourselves right now.
Which
'cause
is
we don't-
fine. Yeah,
there's
so
no
there
big
doesn't need to be
conveyor system,
I
right?
think the key is this is a prep table, this is a finishing table, because obviously once it comes through that last chiller, then we've got a
Yeah.
clean box packed.
That's what we envisioned, is it?
Yeah.
It'll come through here. A little bit of electrical work to do, and then turn the machines on. We got our factory.